Most photographers don't need a new lens, they need to bend their knees. We're always busy posing and moving our clients and models, but we forget to move ourselves. Today, I'm breaking down the most important camera angles every photographer should know, what they say artistically, and when to use them. Let's get it. Yay! If you're shooting everything eye level, you're not doing anything wrong. You're just possibly missing out on shots that you or your client might love. So here are 4 different angles I try to use on every shoot and why. Eye level. It's just the natural thing to do, and it looks like how we see things. It just feels normal, relatable, real. This angle is best used for typical portraits, environmental shoots, and lifestyle shots. You give off the vibes of trust, equality, and the feeling that you're on the same level as your subject. The high angle. The high angle is unique, and you don't see it a lot. It represents feeling vulnerable, approachable, or soft. This is great for beauty and fashion, kids, and romantic scenes. The vibes are innocence, calmness, and a less intimidating presence. The low angle. The low angle is my all-time favorite. Depending on your lens and the distance, you can show power, strength, and authority. I always call this the hero shot. I use this for athletes, branding, or executive portraits, or anything that needs to feel confident or dominant. This creative angle is called the Dutch angle. Now, the Dutch angle is something that I avoided like crazy when I was getting started. To me, it's an acquired taste. It brings chaos, tension, and energy to your images. Best used in editorials, creative portraits, or story-driven shots. Use this angle sparingly because it can cause unease or unwanted movement and drama in your images. Here's a quick angle workflow for your next shoot. Start at eye level, get the safe shots. Move high for a few clicks, and then low for a few clicks. Moving side to side also counts as changing your angle. And finally, change your distance, even if you're using a zoom lens. Here's some common mistakes that you should avoid. Shooting everything from the same height. Choosing an angle without thinking about the emotion. Forgetting about things in the background when you're shooting high or low. And finally, overusing the same dramatic angle until it loses its impact. So in your next shoot, make sure you move your body on purpose. You never know what you're gonna like until you try it. I appreciate you kicking it with your boy. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe for the jug, leave a comment down below. Remember, it's all gas, no brakes. Whatever you do it moving. Yee! We out of here, baby. Peace.